I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle. You wash your hands. You wash your hands. He opens his bag. He opens his bag. She closes the window. She closes the window. It is raining lightly. It is raining lightly. We go to the beach. We go to the beach. They play hide and seek. They play hide and seek. I read a comic book. I read a comic book. You write a letter. You write a letter. He draws a boat. He draws a boat. She waters the flowers. She waters the flowers. It is very foggy. It is very foggy. We eat noodles. We eat noodles. They watch the sunset. They watch the sunset. I clean my table. I clean my table. You listen to the story. You listen to the story. He helps his friend. He helps his friend. It is very bright outside. It is very bright outside. We walk in the morning. We walk in the morning. They play in the rain. They play in the rain. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. You draw a sun. You draw a sun. He cleans his shoes. He cleans his shoes. She paints a door. She paints a door. It is very quiet today. It is very quiet today. We visit the museum. We visit the museum. They eat cakes. They eat cakes. I help my mother cook. I help my mother cook. He drinks water from a cup. He drinks water from a cup. She opens a new book. She opens a new book. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. We ride horses in the park. We ride horses in the park. They read storybooks. They read storybooks. I write a diary. I write a diary. You clean your room. You clean your room. He plays football with friends. He plays football with friends. She listens to the radio. She listens to the radio. It is very cold outside. It is very cold outside. They play basketball together. They play basketball together. I eat chocolate. I eat chocolate. You open the fridge. You open the fridge. He writes a story. He writes a story. She paints a wall red. She paints a wall red. It is very dark today. It is very dark today. We watch birds in the garden. We watch birds in the garden. They play with balls. They play with balls. I read my notebook. I read my notebook. You help your sister. You help your sister. He cleans the car daily. He cleans the car daily. She rides a bicycle. She rides a bicycle. It is very light today. It is very light today. We watch the stars at night. We watch the stars at night. They eat vegetables. They eat vegetables. I go to the market. I go to the market. You write a poem. You write a poem. He draws animals. He draws animals. She listens to music every day. She listens to music every day. We play in the playground. We play in the playground. They eat lunch together. They eat lunch together. I watch cartoons. I watch cartoons. You clean the table daily. You clean the table daily. He plays chess. He plays chess. It is very sunny today. It is very sunny today. We visit grandparents. We visit grandparents. They read poems together. They read poems together. I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day. You open the window. You open the window. He writes letters. He writes letters. It is very clean outside. It is very clean outside. We walk to school daily. We walk to school daily. They play cricket in the field. They play cricket in the field. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. You read books at night. You read books at night. He opens a new gift. He opens a new gift. She cleans the kitchen. She cleans the kitchen. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. You wash your face. You wash your face. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. We ride to school. We ride to school. They play in the mud. They play in the mud. I read a magazine. I read a magazine. You write a note. You write a note. He draws a car. He draws a car. It is very windy. It is very windy. We eat sandwiches. We eat sandwiches. They watch the clouds. They watch the clouds. I clean my shoes. I clean my shoes. You listen to the teacher. You listen to the teacher. He helps his mother. He helps his mother. We go to the supermarket. We go to the supermarket. They play with toys. They play with toys. I drink water slowly. I drink water slowly. You write your homework. You write your homework. They play with toys. They play with toys. I drink water slowly. I drink water slowly. You write your homework. You write your homework.